Let's start with the sub-assembly process. This is a one-time process. An assist crane will be required to complete the sub-assembly. First, we will install the boom base and the upper and lower spreader assembly. Apply a coat of clean grease to the boom foot and bushings and mounting locations. Lift the boom base up to the mounting pin locations. Install both boom foot pins and secure with locking pins and spring pins. Install the shims as needed to take up any excess side play. Connect the cables from the angle meter and anti-two-block system from the boom base to the machine. Secure the cables as to leave enough slack in the cable to allow for booming up to 82 degrees without stretching the cables. We will now install the backstops on the machine. These are stamped left and right to indicate the proper mounting locations. First, you will need to pull the backstops out to about 28 feet 6 inches while on the ground. Then install the backstop onto the main machine one at a time. Be careful to pay attention to left and right side. Apply a coat of Never Seize to all mounting pin locations. We will now install the upper and lower spreader assembly. You'll find that the wire rope has been reeved to the spreaders at the factory. The total weight of this assembly is about 3,200 pounds. The total length of this assembly is about 47 feet. Connect to the lifting eyes and raise the spreader assembly from the box. Clean the pins on the lower spreader and apply a coat of Never Seize on the pins. Connect the lower spreader assembly to the links on the gantry using mounting pins and locking pins. Place blocking on the backstops to support the boom cable. Then lower the upper spreader and install it onto the mounting bracket on the boom base. Remove the clamps from the dead end of the boom cable and feed it through the upper gantry sheaves. Install the dead end of the wire rope into the boom drum and secure it with the wire rope wedge. Pull the boom wire rope to properly set the drum wedge. Be sure you keep tension on the wire rope as it is spooling onto the boom hoist drum and that the wire rope is spooling onto the drum properly. Connect the cable to the load cell at the lower spreader and secure it with cable ties. Install the catwalk bases on both sides of the machine. Then you'll need to install the 4 counterweight lifting links onto the counterweight base. Install the 2 work lights, mirrors, and wiper blades. Place the load chart and operator's manual in the cab. Kobelco also provides a fire extinguisher that should also be kept in the cab. Install the transport cables from the gantry to the main frame. These cables are used to hold the gantry down during transport. The CK1600 is now ready for transport.